Happy Easter. This is what we do for fun. All right, got all of our fun outdoor stuff all loaded up. Let's see, we got the grasshopper, and we got the four-wheeler, and we got the nude stickers, and we're ready to roll. Well, I told you how much fun we're going to have this weekend, so here we go. We got the JD, I got the wheeler right over there. We're running around, we're going to do a little tilling, and we're going to plant a couple of food plots here real quick, like what we're going to be doing today. Yeah, kick it. Kick it. Kick it real good. Kick it real good. Yeah, move that one. Boot chop. Ah! Nice job.